Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the time control function of S608. First we enter the time control list. Here in the lower right corner, we create a new list, select its play time. We select the effect to be added here. Confirm. Output SD card file. Insert the controller and power it on. Click Setting to enter the menu, select Time Control. Select SD card. We can observe that the main interface shows that it has entered the SD card control mode. The above is how to use the time control function of S608. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.